We have pasted the animals onto the rectangles. Now, the animals you have selected may be different from mine. So, you will write the sentences later about the position of the animals based on your choices. Here, I'm going to show you an example based on my choice of animals. There are 5 sentences I need to write. Write 5 sentences about the positions of the animal. Now, I am going to show you the sentence structure. For example, I can write one sentence about the monkey. I will write, the monkey is, then I'll write in the position is second from So what direction are we looking at for the monkey? That's correct. He is second from the right. So the sentence structure that you need to follow, the animal is the number position from the direction. It can be left or right. So I remind you again, the animal, so you write in the animal, is first, second, third of, so the what position is it? Is it in from the direction, either left or right. Is that okay? Now, I give you another example. Let me choose to write from the left. Okay? For example, I can choose to write the cow. I like to say the cow is the animal, is first from the left. Very good. Is that clear? Now, so each group member, you will pick one animal, you will write the sentence on the paper. The group leader will check if everyone has written it correctly. Remember, the animal is from which position, from the left or the right, the direction. Is that clear? Okay, are you ready?